these days. I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Sandiswe Masheka. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button in order for you to join the family. And obviously, guys, I'm trying to learn this thing. But anyway, I am currently at home and my boyfriend left with brother Waike. They went to the beach, so I was not in the mood today to go to the beach. But anyway, I just finished having lunch. I actually had granola and then I had turkey. Weird, right? But that's what I had. And then now I want to water the grass because the next coming days it's going to be really hot. So I just want to water the grass and then water the grass. Okay, like you're not playing. So I'm saying that I want to water the grass because I know and I'm going to campus tomorrow, so I need to leave today. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. I don't know where this vlog is gonna take me, but yeah, I'm trying to be very, very consistent. So yeah, this is the start of this vlog. Don't ask me because I also don't know, but let's cruise nicely. Alright guys, so I am waiting on my Uber. My Uber just arrived. I am leaving. I don't know what's gonna happen next, but anyway, let me just let the video flow. I'm going to rest now. What's in the plan? Was a flat number. Gonna be flat number because suppose by like there's no need for you to be knowing flat numbers or anything like that. These songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for it. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. Put it this side, my please. But the oven does. It's giving golden hour. It's giving Zimbabwe. It's giving Zimbabwe. It's giving Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. Yes, I'm giving Zimbabwe. So much heat. Oh. Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
I'm trying to test if this thing is working proper or if my face is showing proper. Literally. Babe, now don't say that. Don't say that. Oh, hi guys. You guys are doing fantastic. Do not, when you guys are in bed, do not turn you on. Wahala. I feel you. I feel you. I don't see myself also naturally. So I'm saying that we are at the pool section. It's a bit noisy. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's like noisy. Oh, it is so hot, guys, today. I don't want to lie. So I'm also busy like doing. Ah, guys, like I'm busy doing school stuff because this life is not balancing. I don't have a choice, right, babe?
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high.
Hey guys, hope you guys are doing fantastic. So today is a Tuesday and I asked my boyfriend if can he allow me to take him out. So I'm taking him out. I'm taking him out today. We're gonna first go have I could say dinner because it's around like 6:30 the time we leave. So I'm taking him out for dinner, and then from the dinner we're gonna go watch movies. It's a Tuesday, so definitely we're gonna go and watch movies. So yeah, I'm not gonna do anything like in Zambian. It's literally not installed, and Koben is installed on Thursday. So I'm gonna be because Kekafika is in guys. I sell hair. I don't know if you guys know, but I also sell hair. And then I wanted to wear the piece. I'll try and leave a video on the sides so that you guys can see Baz and Shani. So yeah. And actually, I need is annually for myself. Like I told my boyfriend that Mamela, there's a need that is in I need it for myself, for my own peace. I need that here. But anyway, I was busy with school, man, guys, and then that's all that's been happening. And tomorrow I'm writing, so I need to come back and like check a few things that I need to do. So yeah, that's basically that. I'll tell you guys when I'm actually on my way to Bayside. We're going to Bayside because Kofichani, like that's the closest Tekiniko that we have. So yeah.
Lights down right now, put me in the booth.
Yummy. Can't wait.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room.
Hi guys, I thought I should just share a piece. I don't know if you guys can see me proper, but I am Bedside Mall right now and I'm about to leave. I hope they are okay. It's 10 p.m. Goku, 10 p.m. so siyahambani. And then it's time. But siyahamba ngoku 10. So yeah, it was nice. It was a nice movie. Really enjoyed it. And what else? Yeah, I learned a lot, I have to say, especially about God and the spirits and all those things. So yeah, heading home.
Trusted, I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. Just blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I'm not sure if Monakala, but I got a package from a brand. So I'm going to open it with you guys. And I picked these outside because I want to include them in my photo that I'll be taking. So massive lane. Okay. Pakishwanga. Okay, pakishwanga is easy. Okay, land is a little brief. Not sure if it's a recorder, guys, but when I open again, still sorry too. Come in, I'll show you guys one new rep. Yo guys, sana abai repanga. If you guys can see plastic here, pachungan, like by repair, they made sure. But yeah, this is the package.
Wanna go and party, nigga don't approach your with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation. The nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you want you wrong. Oh, I ain't got this good and then it's on. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you want you wrong.
Ooh. Okay. Smells normal. Sorry, it smells like a serum. Okay. Okay, it's fine. And then, what's up? Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna like this. Like I can feel the hydration, but banayo. And they did not lie. There is hydration. I can feel it. So this one is concentrated hydrating serum. Instantly boosts skin with extra 67 hydration. Love it. I feel like I already love this one. But let's see the vitamin C. I already use vitamin C and I already use niacinamide. But yeah, this is the vitamin C, the brightening serum. Let me apply on the same spot. Okay. Ooh. And what's up?
What's that?
It's skincare. They trust me. You can see they trust me. My skin is pretty. The fact that skincare companies are sending me stuff. Don't you think so? And then this is the retinoid. The retinoid, baby. You know these things best.
What's that?
Retinoid.
Retinol.
No, this one is not with an L. This is with a D. Retinoid. It's not with an L. Also thought it was the one with an L.
Why does it choose this one?
Yeah, I want Nakaloku. It's for work now. I must promote. Oh, that's too much. Damn. Why are you saying? Okay, I can really feel my skin being soft, but I'm so interested in the hyaluronic acid.
I thought you said you have free delivery and pick and pay.
Who has free delivery? I do.
Can you see delivery?
Yes. What do you want to buy?
Just order Benin.
You. I also want Savannah, but I didn't want to say. The packaging is so cute, man.
Benin.
I saw the special one. Pick and Pay. You want to buy that one? I'm coming. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys on my next. I don't know what I'll be shooting next, but tomorrow is Saturday. Today I was writing a test, so tomorrow, which is Saturday, I'm probably gonna do something. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. So yeah, you guys just check out on my Instagram. There's a poster about the IQ dermatologist. What approved? Don't. As usual, we are having drinks. Oh, it is so cold. Are you not going to be cold? We're going to sit inside because it is really cold. What is this? What happened? Oh, hi guys, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So I bought these shoes for my mom, and I was literally in my quiet zone era. I didn't want to say anything, so I hope you guys just enjoy the unboxing. I bought them for my mom, and obviously we're matching because I also bought myself white ones, but I just didn't show it. But yeah, and those were for me actually. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today is a Sunday, and I just came back from Goods. I did my hair because I feel like I'm not choice because now I'll start with my exams soon. I'm starting my exams tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm writing. So I believe that it is available for like 2 weeks or so, meaning I will not be posting anything for 2 weeks. So I also didn't want to just leave the vlog just like that without me saying anything, because I need to post it. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I'll be off for like 2 weeks and I will not post anything, but definitely when I come back I'll post more because I will not be busy with school or anything like that. So I would love to also wish everyone the best in terms of your exams, Zabo. Wishing myself also the best. I don't know whether you guys are going to see this part, and then obviously you guys will push me if you want and if you feel like. But yeah, I wish everyone the best. You guys afunde. That is what obviously we're all planning to do, is to pass sifunde, see, and graduate eventually. But anyway, yeah, this is definitely the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, definitely I will make more videos, and yeah, hoping for the best, guys. That's all. Like, I don't have much to say. I really don't have much to say because now I actually want to buy stuff from Pick and Pay and then cook. Otherwise, I need to be available on YouTube. I don't want to lie, I will not be available. So hence I'm closing the video here. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like. Let me know what you guys think. So yeah, bye bye guys. Good luck to everyone that's writing. Bye.